Hi guys, this is Chef Faiz Khan and today we are back with another interesting recipe. We will be making a very traditional Indian recipe, a very special chicken bhuna masala, very easy, just in few steps. Let's go and let's learn how to make this incredible dish very easy way. To begin with, 500 grams of chicken with bone. We'll add in 1 teaspoonful of red chili powder, 1/4 teaspoon of haldi powder. We'll add in half teaspoon of dhania powder. Then goes half teaspoon of zira powder, 1 tablespoonful of ginger garlic paste. We'll add in 1 green chili finely chopped. We'll add in around half onion which is being crispy fried. We'll add in quarter lemon juice or around 1 tablespoonful of juice. We'll add in 1 heap tablespoonful of vegetable oil, and we're gonna sort of mix this marinade nicely and keep it aside for at least half an hour. In a nice hot pan, we'll take 2 tablespoons of oil. Then we'll add in 1 teaspoon of desi ghee. Then we'll have to get this marinated chicken. We need to fry here with ghee and oil mixture. We have to nicely sear the chicken so that we block all the pores and all the juices remain inside intact. At the same time, we are flavoring this oil and ghee with lots of Indian spices and flavor. We will not completely cook the chicken here. We will just sort of sear the chicken nicely so that all the masalas get infused in the chicken and chicken lock all its natural juices inside. Keep turning the chicken so that you equally cook the chicken or sear the chicken from all the sides properly, so that one side should not become very dark and other side will be left unseared. At the same time, keep checking the masalas. We don't want to burn any. In around 3 minutes, we will take all the chicken off this pan, including the masalas and oil, into one separate bowl. In fresh pan, again heat the pan nice and hot. 2 tablespoons of oil goes in. We'll add in some whole spices. You have to add cloves and bay leaf, long and tezpatta. Then we'll add half teaspoon of zira. Then we'll add 2 full onion finely chopped, nicely chopped. Make sure all the onion sizes are equal, because this is the stage when we are trying to brown the onion, not less not more. We don't have to make it very dark in color, or we cannot leave it pinkish. This is the color we are looking for, the perfect color. Then we add in the chicken masala, oil and ghee along in this gravy. Bhuna chicken masala is all about that jammy consistency. Neither we have to make the masala very liquidy or semi-liquid. The consistency has to be jammy and it has to be full of oil and flavor. So that is the consistency we are looking for. So nicely sear the chicken in the masala so that all masala comes together. Then at this stage, we will add 2 full tablespoons of fresh dahi or fresh yogurt. We'll mix them together nicely, and then we will adjust the seasoning. We'll add salt, and we will add garam masala powder, which is little heavy on black pepper. So this is the jammy consistency we are looking for, and it is about to be ready. Just check the chicken once. If your chicken is done, try and use baby chicken. It will cook very fast. Then to final stage, we'll add 2 tablespoonful of coriander and giving it a final stir. Your chicken bhuna masala is ready to go. We will take it out on a plate. Try to use a lighter color crockery so that the darker color chicken will look very attractive. and this plate has to go full of oil, flavors, spices, and it will go amazing. See, this is the jam like consistency I was talking about. It is not a masala, not a curry. It has a very unique texture, which is bhuna is all about. So here I present to you the finest recipe of chicken bhuna masala. You can try this recipe with mutton as well, but make sure you cook mutton in a pressure cooker, so that mutton is nice and tender. So the best recipe of chicken bhuna masala is done. Best of luck and enjoy. Keep watching CFK. Oh.